So hi Anmol. Anmol, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah. So hi Anmol. So let's start the interview. Anmol, quickly just introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Anand Anmol, and I have overall 4 years of experience in ETL testing, and currently I'm working with KPMG as a ETL test engineer. So currently I'm working in a project related to insurance domain, where we have audit source systems to a single platform to cut the costs
Mhm.
of maintaining legacy systems. And my roles and responsibilities are like analyzing the mapping document. Based on that, I will preparing the test case and I will do the execution and attending the Scrum ceremonies and raising the defects if there is any defects and tracking them.
Okay, fine. So Anmol, could you let me know what are the tools you are using right now in your present project?
So yeah, in our project currently we are using a database as Oracle and data warehouse as a Teradata. And we are using Informatica for the transformations and for the work management, we are using the HPLM tool.
Okay, Anmol. So okay, let me know how do you rate yourself in a scale of 10 for SQL
I rate myself around 3 to 3.5 out of 5.
out of 5? Okay. So how about SQL? How about ETL? Sorry,
Yeah, I rate myself 3.
3. Okay, fine. So let me know what is incremental load.
Okay, sure. So incremental loading is the activity of loading only new or updated records from a source to target data. So in this process, where we will try to capture only updated records using some flag columns or date columns into a target.
Okay, and all. What is a data mart? And can you tell me the difference between data mart and data warehouse?
Okay. So coming to a data mart, it contains repositories of a summarized data collected from analysis on a specific section or unit within an organization. For example, the sales department or financial or HR department. So, whereas in a data warehouse, it is a large centralized repository of a data that contains information from many sources within an organization.
Okay, that's good. Mm, mm. So what methodology you use right now in your project?
Currently, we are using agile methodology.
Okay. So may I know the team size?
So overall, our team size is around 9 people.
Okay. Mm. So do you follow the sprints?
Yes, we do the follow
Okay.
sprints in our project.
So what is a sprint in agile methodology?
So a sprint, it is a dedicated period of time in which a set amount of work will be completed on a project.
Okay. Okay. So what is the purpose of staging area in an ATL?
So uh, coming to staging area, so it is mainly used to quickly extract the data from its data sources, minimizing the impact of its sources. After that, the data will be loaded into a staging area. In this staging area, we can see the combined data from multiple data sources and from transformations, validations, and data cleansing. And this data is often transformed into a star schema prior to loading a data warehouse.
Okay. So fine. Um, do you know what is a check constraint?
Yes, I do.
Can you
So coming
elaborate
to
it?
a check, yeah, yeah, check constraint in an SQL, which limits the value range that can be placed in a column. So this check constraint we can define while creating a table, or we can use it after using the order as well.
Okay, okay. So, how many types of joins are there in SQL?
Yeah, totally we have 6 types of joins in a SQL. They are left join, outer right join, inner join, full join, self join, and cross join, Cartesian join. So coming to a left join,
Yeah, fine. Um, Tell me the syntax of inner join.
yeah, okay, sure. So for the inner join, select the columns from table 1, inner join table 2, on table 1 column equal to table 2 column.
Okay, fine. So, explain the scenario where we use self join.
The self join we will use when there is a same information exists in the single table. For example, I have the employees and managers. So I have the same data in the single table. So in that scenario, we will use the self join.
Yeah, fine, fine, fine. So, I have a query here. So, do you have a book or pen with you?
Yes, I do have.
Fine. So, quickly, just note it down. There is a customer table. Okay. So there is a order table. In customer table, we have cust ID, first name.
Okay,
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and customer ID. So 1 John, 2 Robert,
okay,
3 David, 4 John, 5 Betty.
okay,
Okay. So there is another table called orders table. In that we have order ID,
okay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
okay,
amount.
okay,
For order ID 1, amount is 200, cust ID is 4.
okay,
Order ID 2, amount is 500, cust ID is 10.
okay,
Order ID is 3, amount is 300, cust ID is 3.
okay,
Order ID is 4, amount is 800, cust ID is 1. Order ID
okay,
is 5, amount is 150, customer ID is 2. Okay.
okay,
So quickly tell me, um, I just need in the output the customer amount spent by the customer in the output. Simply, I need customer ID, first name and amount. How and why? How you will get that output? What you will be using here? You just quickly tell me the output, how it be the output, and what query you have written here to get that out.
okay. Um, okay. In this scenario, we can go with the left join. So let me tell you the output.
Okay.
For the customer ID, first time and amount. Uh, for the post record, we will get 1 John 800,
Okay.
and for the second record, we'll get 2 Robert 150.
Mm-hmm.
For the third record, we'll get customer ID as 3, first name as David and amount as 300.
Mm-hmm.
And for the fourth record, we'll get 4 John and amount will be 200.
Mm-hmm.
And for the fifth record, we will getting 5 Betty and amount will be null.
So why do we get a null here? Any?
Because from the right table, we don't have any match record. In that place, we are getting the null.
Okay, that's good then. That's good. Okay, fine. So, uh, can you tell me how do we get third highest salary from a table using limit?
Okay. Uh, okay. Select the star from employees, order by salary, descending, limit 1, comma 1.
Okay, so define the roles in Scrum.
In the Scrum, we have 3 roles majorly. So product owner, Scrum Master, and the development team, as well as we have the testers team as well.
Okay, fine. So, what is the present package, Anmol?
Currently, I have 6 lakhs per annum.
Okay, um, how much you are expecting?
I'm expecting around a 30% hike.
30%. So, are you working from home or working from office?
Currently, I'm working from home.
So, are you comfortable for hybrid model?
Yes, I'm.
Okay. So that is the thing. Do you have any questions, Anmol?
No, as of now, I don't have any.
Okay, fine. So Anmol, that's all from my end. So I'll give the feedback to the HR and he'll get back to you. Okay. So
Okay,
nice talking to you. Have a great day.
you too. Thank you. Bye.